Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me for another Bitrix24 webinar. In today's presentation, we're going to be looking at a very important question, which is Bitrix24 effective for remote teams? Now, remote work can be flexible and efficient, yes, but only when there's enough structure behind it. If a team is working from different places, they still need one clear system to stay connected, organized, and productive. That is really what this presentation is going to cover. We'll look at how Bitrix24 helps remote teams bring communication, tasks, and visibility into one digital platform. And we will also see how teams can start for free and grow from there with expert support whenever they need it. So join me and let's get into it. Let's start with the biggest challenge that remote teams face, which is structure. Remote teams usually don't fail because people are far apart. They actually fail when the digital system around them is scattered and difficult to manage. When you don't have structure, a big issue is scattered communication. Messages can end up across email, chat, and different social platforms. And suddenly, an important conversation is very difficult to find. This can lead to lost tasks. Managers can't clearly see progress, and team members may not know who is doing what or when a deadline is coming up. Without centralized task management, things get missed, and accountability becomes harder to maintain. So, the real issue is not the distance itself, it is whether the team has a strong digital structure that keeps everyone aligned, informed, and moving together. Now let's move on and talk about what remote teams actually need in practice. And that's one digital workspace. That is where Bitrix24 becomes very, very useful. Instead of jumping and asking your team to go through different separate apps for chat, tasks, files, and calendars, Bitrix24 brings everything into one place. You can communicate through real-time messaging, group chats, and video conferencing on desktop or your mobile device. You can also manage projects in different ways with Kanban boards, Gantt charts, deadlines, and workflow tracking. On top of that, the built-in CRM helps you organize leads, deals, contact, and activity history. And with file storage plus shared calendars, everyone can stay updated, and even across different time zones. That kind of setup makes remote work much easier to follow and much more easier to manage. Now, moving on to one of the strongest advantages of Bitrix24, which is transparency. For remote teams, transparency is not just a nice feature. It's what helps everyone stay coordinated when they are not sitting in the same office. You can see who's working on what, which makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid confusion. And because Bitrix24 works on both desktop and mobile, your team can stay connected and productive, whether they're in the office, at home, or on the move. The free plan includes core tools that matter most, so teams can begin working right away without needing to piece together multiple apps and subscriptions. And you can automate recurring processes, which saves time and reduces manual follow-ups on everyday tasks. If you need help scaling or customizing automation, you can always reach out to your local Bitrix24 partner who can provide custom implementations and training. That kind of flexibility is exactly what remote teams need when they want transparency and control from anywhere. So, after looking at all of this, I think the answer here is quite clear. Bitrix24 can be very effective for remote teams. And the reasoning is simple. Remote work only works when everyone has clear visibility into what is happening, and who is responsible, and for what comes next. Bitrix24 helps provide that real-time transparency, so teams can collaborate well, no matter where they are or what time zone they are in. Instead of using 5, 6 different apps, everything stays in one place. Instead of guessing who is doing what, the whole team can stay informed. And because it stays free with unlimited users, it is easy to begin without any pressure. So, remote teams that want more clarity, better coordination, and stronger control, Bitrix24 is the smart option. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.